Hi everyone, Nick from Kids Commons here, and you may be wondering why I'm holding a construction hat. Well, even though our museum is closed, we have a whole lot going on in the museum right now. Construction on our new third floor exhibit Camp Kids Commons has just started, and we would like to give you guys updates on what that process looks like. So everyone be sure to grab your construction hats, and let's go take a look.
Junk pieces and pull it out like that so we can get to what we need to see. Pretty easy, not too complicated. It's all coming up fairly easy. And then the finished product goes like this over here. Nice, neat. We're going to put the pieces that we built up right back here. That's what we took up from there. We're going to put a couple scrap pieces of wood around the edge of that, so when we put it back in, it'll be back up to the correct level. That way it's safe to walk on until the final inspection gets done. We got a couple different levels right here. We got the floor we're working on, and under that, you got some support I-beams with a column wrap over here. And then this layer right here, we gotta get up in there, bust all that loose so the other people can come in and